today's job, I'm going to be breaking up this old house foundation using my Kubota excavator here. And I have a special helper here, my son Owen.
What's up, guys? And
he's going to be giving me a hand breaking this up. I'm going to let him operate the excavator.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah, it is going to be fun. You're right. You can see over here, we actually had a bit of a storm on Friday, and these big branches fell out of these trees up here. So we're going to get these cleared out of the way before we get started, and then we'll get into breaking up this concrete. Now, if you guys don't know the backstory to this, we knocked down the house about a year ago. Originally, the owner thought he may have some use for this. I kind of told him that he wouldn't, being the condition of it, but anyways, I let him make that decision on his own, and after some time has passed, he wants to get this out of here. So we'll get rocking and rolling. First thing we're going to do, get the branches out and then break up the concrete. Oh, and also stick around to the end of the video because we're going to be having a giveaway. You want to tell them what we're giving away, bud?
We're giving away this exact hat.
We're going to have them leave comments below if they're interested, and this was actually Owen's idea. I just had these hats made. You want to show them the back of it, bud?
And on the back it
shows
says,
the YouTube.
Yep. And on the front it says SRM Contracting.
Yep. These are Richardson hats. They're trucker hats. So if you're interested, you know, stick around to the end. And this was Owen's idea, right?
Yep.
All right, bud. Let's get started. The footings on this outside wall were a little bit more robust than what I was originally thinking. You could see them there. They were pretty heavy. The machine was struggling a little bit, right, bud?
Yeah, I thought the whole thing was going to tip.
Yeah. But now, once we get moved over to that slab, this is definitely the older portion of the house. Because if you look here, this footing has a lot of like big river rock in it mixed in with concrete. So fingers crossed, I'm pretty sure this will break up much easier. This stuff was all poured. Same thing with this section here. This is poured. You can see these walls are poured, so this one might be a little tough, but I have some big chunks now to drop and break them up, so that may make it a little bit easier. I'm going to come over here, demolish this, and then we're going to work on this slab, and I'm going to let Owen tear this slab up, right, bud?
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun? You think you're ready for it?
I hope so.
Here's the big mama. There it is. See, but this is why I haven't purchased a jackhammer yet. Because usually, once you break it up a little bit, you get a big piece of concrete, and it breaks it all up just fine.
True.
Watch this. You ready?
Yay!
Perfect.
Maybe broke too much.
I know we're going to need to break up that slab over there. You think we can break that?
Yes. Use Big Mama.
Look at that.
Shattered. Both of them.
Shattered. Perfectly.
Sadly, Big Mama is now dead.
It's a scary moment. Yeah, you're good. Oh. See, originally I was going to have the door open and I was going to stand right there on the edge, but we dug up a bee's nest over here. You can see one flying around. I think it's a wasp nest. And, you know, he's nervous. He doesn't want to get stung, and I don't want him to get stung. And let's see. Okay, he's getting the thumb. Oh, it's going up high. Nice. Good job, dude. That was awesome. That was good. Go ahead, grab another one. All right, guys, so our first truck just got here. Got the machines warmed up. We're gonna get this one loaded. I'm thinking it's probably gonna be, I'll show you the pile. Probably 2 loads. We're gonna get rid of some of that nasty dirt back there that has a lot of rubble mixed in with it. Maybe 3, but I'm hoping for 2. We'll see. Either way, if it's 3, it's fine. Let's get rocking and rolling here, though. talked to the owner and he wants me to get rid of some of this, well, all these tree branches and brush. So while we're waiting for the next truck, I'm gonna throw this in a dump trailer. Between all these little piles and that pile, most likely looking at 2 loads. But we'll see. My estimating has been off today so far, so maybe it'll be 3, who knows. All right, guys, here's the finished product. We got everything graded out. I'm back here with my son Owen. Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
And this is how we're going to leave it. He didn't care about the grass growing anytime soon. It will naturally. It'll get weeds and everything else. He wasn't concerned about the grass growing quickly, so we didn't bother with the seed and straw. It was an added expense that, you know, he wasn't really that concerned about. The ground is sloped a little bit, but I don't expect there to be like any major runoff. If a little bit of dirt washes, it'll get stuck in the grass. But so now it's time, bud. We're going to do that giveaway, right?
Yep. So we are going to be looking for people who commented the word hat. It could be in a sentence or just by itself.
Okay.
We are going to be selecting 3 random people.
3 random people. Okay.
We're giving away this very hat.
That hat? The one that you wore or a new one? We're going to give him a new one.
Yes, the new one.
Yeah, so check it out. If you're interested in getting a hat, you know, please leave a comment below either way. You know, I appreciate everybody who watches the videos and gives a thumbs up and comments regularly. If you're interested in getting a hat, leave the comment, write the word hat in your comment, or you could just write the word hat by itself, and then we'll just select. I guess maybe I'll let Owen select 3 random people, or I know they have those random picker apps that I could also use. So either way, we'll pick 3 random people and then we'll get you a hat. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See ya.